So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the location in Ome TV. So it involves a lot of steps, so please pay attention to what I'm going to say. Firstly, what you're going to do is just delete the data from the Chrome browser of Ome TV. What you're going to do is just go to advanced here and select all these items here: browsing history, download history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, and select the time range from all time here and clear data. If you go to Ome TV now and then relaunch Ome TV, and you'll see this login screen. Now we're not going to log in Ome TV from here. Now what you're going to do is create a new Chrome profile. Click on this Chrome icon here and go down, and we can click on add. So we can create a new Chrome profile, continue with account, and give this profile a name test. Done. Now what you're going to do is don't launch Ome TV 8 from here. Firstly, search in here Urban VPN extension. Open Urban VPN proxy. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. So this extension has now been installed. We can cross here and click on this extensions button and pin this Urban VPN proxy. Now what you're going to do is right click on this Urban VPN proxy and go to manage extension. Scroll down here and we're going to enable this option here, allow in incognito. Enable it. After you've done this, close this tab, this one also, and we're going to open one incognito window on this new Chrome profile. So Ctrl+Shift+N brings the incognito window here. We can close all other windows here, keep the incognito, and we can close this old Chrome profile. Also we can close the non-incognito tabs from the new Chrome profile. Just keep the incognito tab from the new Chrome profile. So before launching Ome TV here, go to Urban VPN proxy and you can choose any location that you like from here. Okay, Philippines. Let me choose Philippines here. So it has been connected to Philippines. Now I can launch Ome TV here. Now we're gonna continue with the old account, that is continue with Facebook or VK. I can choose the VK because I have the VK account. If we check now, the Urban VPN has been set to Philippines, you can see here, but the country here has changed. So I can just click here and I can select the country here to Philippines too. Just keep it here, Philippines. And if I reload the page, and now I can start here, you can see I'm getting the people from Philippines. So that means this trick works. Yes. So this works, you can see. So let me stop it here, and I'm going to change the server in Urban VPN here, and it has been connected to Germany, and I'm going to set the country here to Germany as well. Germany. Now I can refresh the page, and now if I try to start the video chat, you can see I'm getting the people from Germany. It works very precisely. It works with like 80% accuracy. And the last but not the least, this step is very important. You just have to directly go and close this window without disconnecting VPN, because if you disconnect the VPN, it will record your IP address and it will make it difficult if you want to change the location in future. So what you're gonna do is just close this incognito window of new Chrome profile connected to VPN directly from here without disconnecting the VPN. And if you want to change the location of Ome TV for the next time, what you're gonna do is open the Chrome profile once again, and once again open the incognito window here, and then connect to this Urban VPN with any server that you like, Mexico. So it's been connected. Now I can launch Ome TV. And now set the country here to Mexico, because we have selected Mexico server here. Now reload the Ome TV page and start the video chat. You'll get the people from Mexico. Yes. So that's the way guys, how you can change location in Ome TV. It involves a lot of detailed steps. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.